Hey, good morning. This morning I wanted to preview a little bit on this Jimmy Dean biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits here. And they're pretty good as far as that goes, but this just goes to show you don't go to the grocery store while you're really starving to death, because if I hadn't have got these, I'd have come home and fixed a little bit better breakfast than what this is. But anyway, on the back of this box here it says, okay, from Frozen, take the wrapper off of the, it comes like this, and it says take the wrapper off of this biscuit, and first you got to find out the little thing here where you can pull it apart. Sometimes that's easier said than done. It says, then it says take the biscuit after you get it out and wrap it in a paper towel. Okay, so I've done that, and then it says put it in the microwave. Well, I always put mine on a little paper plate or something before I put them in the microwave, because I don't like just setting stuff on the dish in there if I can keep from it. So it says, anyway, it says put in the microwave and cook for at 30% power for 90 seconds. Okay, and we'll do that. Okay, and we'll put 90 seconds on here. Okay, now we'll hit the power level and bring it down to 30%. Okay, now have to shut the door and hit the start button. So we'll see what that looks like in a couple of minutes, or a minute and a half. While we've got a second or two waiting for this thing to finish doing what it's thing here, let's look at the chart here, everybody's favorite thing to look at. It says it's got 410 calories, calories from fat 250. Total fat 25 grams 43, saturated fat 12 grams 80, those 60%. I don't want to cheat it if I can keep from it. And trans fat, is 0. Cholesterol 115 grams 38%, sodium 850 milligrams 35%, total carbs 27 grams 9%, dietary fiber 2 grams 8%. Sugars, well, sugar's only 4, so that's good for diabetics. So, of course, you're going to die of high blood pressure, but you won't have diabetes. 10, 9, 8 seconds to go, so we'll just go ahead and let it run out and see. And there it is. Now let's see what we've got. See if it's eatable. Ouch. That's hot. Okay, well there you see it. I mean, it's going to be good. There ain't no doubt about that. It's going to be right tasty. But, you know, a lot of sodium and calories and stuff like that, so you just have to make up your own mind, you know. But anyway, that's my little preview on this Jimmy Dean biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese. And I hope you enjoyed my little video, and y'all come back and see me real soon. Now, if you can, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. So until I see you again, y'all have a real good day. Goodbye now.